Right, so from the vendor Sexy Body, we received this bathing suit set. This is a size small, and this is their push-up bikini. Color is purple, 147 purple, which is kind of odd. You've got your Sexy Body tags, that way you can assure it's made by that distributor and not another distributor. And then these great little tags, which I guess apparently is now a thing that a lot of people are doing, so that way you can cut these little strings right off of here and you can get rid of the whole tag instead of having that little tag residue. So that's awesome too. So here are the bottoms. Alright, so we have a very similar set as this, but in this case we got the top that has a string back on it, because the other one didn't have a string back, it just had these across the back and it was a little bit loose. So now with the string back, of course, you'll be able to tie it and be able to fit that in a little bit better. But so there's the bottoms, and there's the back of the bottoms. You know, the usual hygiene tape or whatever that's across the bottom isn't on this, but these do appear to still be unworn. So that's going to be something we'll examine a little bit closer, of course. It does feel a little weird here on the inside. I'm sure it'll probably straighten out whenever you actually put these on, but the elastic is on the inside. It's sewn in on the inside here, so you can kind of feel it moving around with the fabric, which is a little odd. We'll definitely get some more feedback from my wife after she puts that on. But just something to note right there, that the elastic is on the inside of it. As far as the top, it's padded, of course. And is it a removable pad? No, there is no place to remove the pad, so it's permanently padded on the inside, which is a good or a bad thing. Again, it's got that tag that you can cut off. And I believe these were supposed to also be reversible, so you can wear them orange side out, or you can wear them purple and white side out. I think the purple and the white side looks a little better. Maybe same thing as the bottoms. You can kind of feel a little bit with this double layer. It almost feels as if the two layers weren't exactly the perfect fit, the same size. But we'll see once she puts them on. And then you've got your two straps for the neck piece, and then for the back piece. And then on the ends, they weren't really wrapped up, so you can see where that elastic is on the inside, and you can kind of just peel that back and pull it out if you really wanted to. So that wasn't sewn up on the end. But as far as the stitching up and down here, that looks pretty good. We'll let you know a little bit more about what we think of the whole product after it's been worn a few times and we've had a chance to take some pictures and write up a more formal review. But if you guys have any questions or comments, make sure to ask. And we did receive this for free in exchange for the review. Thanks.